Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can check the memory usage of tabs and websites open in your Avast browser. So let us dive into this. So there are several ways how you can do this, guys. Option number one, you hover your mouse over the given open tab and you will see the memory usage at the bottom of that preview, right? Which is in this case here for that page, google.com, 48.5 MB of memory. Now, of course, there are other ways. For example, you can get an overview of all open tabs through the browser task manager. It's a built-in feature. You may access it by clicking to these three dots in the top right, then scroll down, click into more tools and choose the task manager. And here, guys, for example, you may also check the memory for each tab, all right, or for extensions. Go through that list and if necessary, enter the given task tab or close the website. Now, if you don't see the preview here over the tab card of the memory, you may enable it in your settings too. Navigate to your browser settings, navigate to appearance on the left hand side, and here below tap hover preview card, select or enable show tab memory usage. If it's enabled, that feature here at the top should be available to allow you to check the memory usage of a specific tab open. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.